Oh my god. Look at it, look at it, look at it, look at it. Are you kidding me? Look at this. No. We are on the island. That means that our only way how to get out from here is this broken boat. We're gonna put all this backpack, all this stuff, and the both of us to this little boat for kids. Look at this. So this boat is for kids, and plus it has multiple holes that are repaired. This one, and look at this. This one is repaired with a piece of plastic bottle. Another one, multiple holes, and plus this bottom is broken because it should be flat. What's going on, guys? Welcome to a new video. I hope you are doing great, and today I'm here with my bro Christian, and we are on this freaking little funny boat, and we are going on a mission. Okay. Okay. Wait. Take this back. Oh.
That's good.
Okay. All right. So now the hard part. I have to get in. Wait. Come here with the front. So I just sit on this, I guess. Okay. Okay.
Oh man.
So right now we are floating on this river, and we are heading to the island, and we're gonna camp there. So this boat is very small. Look at this. Here is the backpack. There is Christian sitting. He's absolutely squeezed there. I'm squeezed here in the front. Look. It's a freaking boat for kids, and actually we have overweight like probably 40 kilos, because me and Christian, we have 140 kilos, and this boat is up to 120, and plus we have this backpack full of stuff. It's probably another 20 kilo more, so it's like 40 kilo plus, but it's still working, so still good. This will be a very interesting night because we don't have any tent, and in the night it will be like 8 to 9 degrees, so we have to build some shelter. Now look, looking pretty good. Come on. There are some fishermen over there. They are probably thinking that we are absolutely crazy. So we are almost there. This here is the island. We are heading there. The bush on that island looks pretty thick, so it will be very interesting. So right now we are looking for some good place where we can camp, but everywhere is a pretty thick bush. A lot of good material for the fire, but not a very good place where to put a shelter. Paddling with one hand when you have to hold a GoPro in another one, but Christian do all of the job. So the island behind us, there is not a good place for shelter and for camping, so we have to find something on this island. And there is a highway. It will be a very interesting night. How am I supposed to get out of this boat? Oh no! Okay. Come on. Wait. Yeah, give me that. Okay. Wait. 1, 2, 3. Wait. Okay. Nah. We got this. Woo. But we still don't know if on this island is a good place for camping. So we have to find out. We have to explore this island a little bit and find a good place for camping. It looks pretty good over here. A lot of material, look at this, for the shelter, for the fire. Yeah, this looks pretty good. So it was actually easier to find a good spot for camping than I was thinking, because look, we just disembarked here and Christian found a good spot over here. We can build a proper shelter for the both of us over here, and also a little campfire, cook something delicious for the dinner. All right, Christian is over there. He went to grab some dry grass to put it on the floor under our sleeping bags, and I'm gonna build a shelter over here. But first I need to find some good sticks. It actually looks pretty good. Yeah, something like this under our sleeping bags. Should be nice and soft. It's not easy to build a shelter here because it's a lot of material here, but I'm used to build a shelter on a beach, so that's kind of different area. Look at this, it's a pretty thick bush, and I need to find sticks for the shelter, but with a specific shape. I need something straight, and it has to have a end with a V. But it's beautiful forest, look at that. But this island is a pretty good place because, as you can see, there is a plenty of building material, also nice dry wood for the fire. It's looking pretty good. Let's go. This one looks pretty good. Oh man. Yeah. We did it. It was harder than I thought. It's a great piece for our shelter. Oh man. Whew. So many of building materials in this forest. Of course you're not gonna find the perfect piece. Oh man. So basically we just put one more stick like this and some more sticks on the roof, and the shelter will be done. Also some dry grass on the floor under our sleeping bags. Should be pretty nice little house. So this stick needs to go somewhere here. We just put something here so it will be more stable. We have to make a roof and it's done. Right now Christian is cutting a piece of that tree because it's nice and straight. Just careful because the top of the tree is really dry. Watch out, watch out, watch out! Ah. Look at our shelter. The construction is done. Actually, we just realized that we took with us like a big sheet because we wanted to put it under our sleeping bags. But I think the better way to use it would be to put it on the roof, on these sticks, and actually we can just sleep on this dry grass. But we have to put more of it. I think it's good we can put some sticks here. This swan just came to us. Look at this. She's 2 meters from me. Maybe 3 meters. Are you kidding me? Look at that. Man. I bet you taste good over a fire. Look at that. She's beautiful. Are you kidding me? She's absolutely not scared. Look at that. I just hope she don't have a nest somewhere here, because she would be very angry. Get out from this professional boat, Explorer Pro 200.
Okay. 1, 2, 3.
Oh, oh. Are you kidding me? Okay. So we already finished the shelter and we have a wood for the fire, so we just playing on this tiny boat. Oh, tiny. So we're just playing on this tiny boat on the river. And oh man, are you kidding me? That's not very good. Look at that, it's broken. But the current is taking us. Come on, come on. We are just spinning at the same spot. Come on, push. I have no idea how we should get from this boat. Wait. Okay.
What the fuck? What?
Are you kidding me? How am I supposed to get out from this boat? I don't want to make another hole to this boat. It's a bit soft. Oh my god. Look at it, look at it, look at it, look at it. Are you kidding me? Look at this. No. We are on the island. That means that our only way how to get out from here is this broken boat. I probably should let that spine in the boat, because now I have no idea where is that hole. Where is it? It's probably not a big hole because it's still not that soft, but it's the only way how to get from this island. But I have no idea where is that hole, so we probably let it like this until the morning, and we'll see in the morning. we have a fire and we will let it burn until we have some coals for the meat. Christian is over there looking for some more wood, a little shelter, and look at this banging sunset over the river. What a beautiful evening. So I had to figure out how to put this over the coals, and I think the best way is to take this wood, because it's a fresh wood and you can simply peel it like this, and under the skin this wood is very wet and very fresh, plus you can put it to the water and it will be totally wet. Because when this wood is wet it's not gonna burn, and I can actually put this over the coals. Look at this. This wood is totally fresh and wet under the skin, and you just knock it to the ground. This. So basically something like this, and 2 more on the other side. So I'm just gonna push it to the ground like this, and come on. Something like this. Rocks would be better than these sticks, but there are no big rocks in this river, so it has to be like this. Oh, big chunk. Now just close it and bam, over the coals. I think it will be done in no time. There are freaking ants all over these sticks. You're not gonna bite me through the night. Just look at this. Bloody beautiful. Look at this. It's almost done. Beautiful. This is gonna be so delicious, but it's too much fire. Dinner is served. First bite. That's pretty good. Pretty good.
Bread.
No restaurant can beat this. Look at that, somewhere in the bush. Actually, on an island in the middle of the river. Over there is the highway. Why not? We are sitting here for like 3 hours and just watching the fire. It's kinda oddly satisfying. Alright guys, that was beautiful evening, but we are tired, so see you in the morning. Good bloody morning today. It was a pretty good night, pretty good sleep, because it was definitely not so cold than I was expecting. But it's time to pack all these things and finish our journey on that stinking boat. Alright, time to get on the boat.
Pardon?
And we are cruising again. We just have to go behind this bridge. There's actually a highway, and over there is a little village, so we are heading there. But this boat is sinking because we have a hole in the bottom. So hopefully we get there. Look at this. There's a highway and we are going there, but we are literally sinking because Christian is almost in the water. He's like 500 meters to the shore. Almost there. It's definitely more soft than in the beginning, but we are almost there. So right now we are under the highway. Oh man. Wait. Wait. I'm just gonna turn you around. Oh. Okay. And okay. Give me this thing. Yesterday I was definitely not expecting that we're gonna disembark under the highway, but yeah, we did it on a sinking boat. Look at this bottom. There is a hole under this on the bottom. Luckily it was just probably 1 kilometer away from our camp, because I'm not sure how long this boat can float on the water. Alright. But alright guys, that was it for this episode. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to smash that subscribe button. It really helped my channel grow. And see you in the next one. Woo! And yeah, don't forget, keep living! Woo! Today very interesting night because we are on the but alright.